Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm, and it's workout time. I'm working on the exercise machine. I talked to my sister yesterday. If I look funny, it's because I'm on the machine. I talked to my sister yesterday and she lost 12 pounds. She's doing the DASH diet. So I'm hoping to get this weight off by spring or summer. Been longer than I wanted, but I just use this exercise machine on my back porch, and I'll do this like right before I take my shower, and I'll get a few miles in to get there. And it's kind of nice because I get really warm and it's really nice and toasty in the house, so I can work outside. So I don't know if you're working out. It's a good time to do it over the vlogmas. Keep yourself on track. Why let a couple meals ruin you? I mean, you can definitely eat over the holidays, but then just have that nice meal, or after you tasted something, you know, don't keep tasting. So we're gonna eat light over the holidays. So that's our plan. But anyway, just thought I'd give a quick video, let you know how the dieting is going. It's going. We're still at it. I'm eating like one meal a day. Clay and I are eating less. And eating one meal that's spread out over the day. Today we're having soup again. We had soup yesterday. And we had pancakes for breakfast and more soup, and that'll be probably it for me for the day. And we're eating pretty healthy. Have to catch a breath here. So after a while, I'll be whipping around on this thing. But anyway, just thought I'd do a quick upload on my exercise. Keep me in your prayers that I can lose, and I guess that's what I'm gonna do today. Exercise, do housework, watch YouTubes, crochet, the usual. Well, we're all on the social distancing, which doesn't make a whole lot of difference for us because we just always have lots to do at my house anyway. So anyway, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless. Gotta get working out here. Bye, guys.